to wash your hands.
Hi, today we're gonna make muffins. So for that, you're gonna need a muffin mix. You're gonna need some cupcake liners, milk, a bowl, something to mix with, a half-cup measuring cup, and a muffin tray. Okay.
We're gonna turn the oven on the 400 degrees. Okay.
Okay, next we're gonna pour our muffin mix into the bowl.
That's mine.
Do your job. You do that. Okay. Next, we're gonna pour our milk in. So we're gonna measure it. Okay, it's a half a cup.
Now you're going to mix it. She's mixing. I'm going to put in a cupcake liner. This is what it looks like when it's done, when you mix it.
Once it's mixed, you can take your same cup that you used for your milk and you can scoop some of the batter and pour it into your muffin cups. You want them to be about halfway full.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me?
This is what it looks like when you put it in with the cupcake liners.
Then it's ready to go in the oven. Bake for 14 minutes. When your timer goes off, take your muffins out of the oven. And turn off your oven.
Just go free and eat the muffin. It's good.
Put the milk back in the refrigerator.
Wash the dishes. There's garbage everywhere. Now throw it away.